no. Guys, we've not animated, we do not know how to animate. This is live, this is real. If you don't believe it, send it to Bill. Bill's channel, Real or Fake. He can tell you if this is real or not. But what could it be? It could be anything. I mean, now I don't think it could be International Space Station having a party. Looks like a dandelion or something. Or like an explosion and it never stops. It's just flashing red now and it can't be a helicopter because it would be moving. Or a plane because it could be moving. And it could be someone shining something up there because we would be able to see the beam. It's just bizarre. Maybe the Illuminati. In the Illuminati is a group of really powerful people, but still. I wonder if anyone else is seeing this right now. I mean, really? Out of all the stuff, it has to be that. I'm zooming out a bit so I can just see. You can see Orion's belt with this. It's a cool light roll app that we've got, but yeah. We're trying to not miss one thing of this because this footage though, this absolute footage is amazing.